Hey guys, welcome to Talks and Moms. I am Kavita and in today's video I'll show you how to make bottle gourd soup. Soups are great during winters and most of the time when your baby has cough, cold or even if baby has high fever, when they don't like to eat a lot, it is good to give liquids to them because it even helps soothe them internally, and this gives lot of energy, especially when you when you ensure you choose good and better ingredients. Now in this soup I have added bottle gourd. Along with it I have added yellow moong dal, so both of it makes a great combination for illness rather I would say. Even otherwise during the evening sometimes you can give soup as a snack along with some biscuits for your kids. So bottle gourd is rich in dietary fiber, soluble and insoluble, both the fiber it has. It has 90% of water. It is rich in vitamin B and vitamin C. It has good amount of iron, so it is definitely a healthy choice. Without much ado, let's dive right in and see how to make this bottle gourd soup. As most of them request, I'm showing the list of ingredients here only. You can take a screenshot or you can come to our blog thoughtsandmoms.com and check everything in detail there. So let's begin. In a pressure cooker, I'm adding butter. You can even use ghee here. I'm adding shallots, or you can just use plain onions, not an issue. Just half of onion would be sufficient. Fry it until the onion turn translucent. This is a very important step. Then I am adding garlic and ginger. We'll have to fry this again for a minute. And now I am adding bottle gourd, deskinned and roughly chopped. It cooks too early, so you don't have to make very small chunks. Now I am adding yellow lentil or moong dal. You can even use masoor dal, which is red lentil. Totally optional. These two are very easily digestible, hence it is given to babies regularly and more often when they are ill. I'm adding a cup of water. Ensure that you don't overdo this because you don't want a liquid soup here. You want it to be slightly thick. Cumin powder. You can even add pepper powder or one green chili, just like that you can add if your baby can take up the spice. Otherwise it's good to add only cumin powder. Cook it for 2 whistles. Most of the time I do not show salt because these are baby friendly recipes. If you are giving it for older kids, then add salt as needed. It would be soft enough, and then we'll transfer it to a blender jar. The link for this Wonderchef blender jar is in the description box. Almonds I'm adding because most of them would prefer having soup only when they are ill, unlike Western countries. In India that is the case. That's why, to make it more nutritious and more filling, I'm adding 2 soaked and de-skinned almonds. Grind it to a fine puree. Please be cautious while you prepare soup for babies. The consistency has to be like this. When you lift it in your finger, it has to stand for a while. Otherwise, it is not going to add any nutrition value to your baby. For older kids, adding a little more water is absolutely fine. Our bottle gourd soup is all ready to be served. Very easy to make. Please stop depending upon store-bought instant soup mixes. It is good to make it at home all the time. Preservative free, instant, mom made, and definitely your kids would love it. You can adjust the spice and tweak in the recipe as you want. On our channel there are a lot of soup recipes, lot of baby food recipes, kids food recipes. Do check our blog as well, and please like and comment on this video if you did like this. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. I'll see you soon in yet another one. Take care of yourself till then. Bye bye.